As y'all can see, we got a lot going on today. Matea is getting ready for her pageant coming up this weekend in San Diego, and we are trying to get the kids right. So Mama is taking care of the hair from Matea. Oh, whoops, I got her little chi-chis.
Like,
Yeah. So cover her out. Take two. So Mama has got Matea, and she is getting her hair done. So we have Salon de McIntyre. And Matt, come here, boy. Matt, come here. Who let the bird out? And I'm about to hook Matt's hair up. So got him a little fade, I think it's called a faux hawk. I don't even know what it's called, but this is what he likes. I like it on him. Come down to a little V at the bottom. And boom. So the camera died. I got to use my cell phone. But this is what we're working with right now. Now for the hard part is the edging. I am not going to be holding the camera, so I will let you guys check him out after the edging is done. You ready to get this over with, Matt? Mm-hmm. That was actually pretty fast, huh? Silly guy. Yeah, buddy. Got him sweet, faded. Check him out, check him out, check him out. My little fly guy. Edge up. What they say? Edge up on fleek. I don't even know if they still use that word. No, hey, I've been cutting hair since I was like 13 years old. But YouTube videos, fellas, you will save so much money. Haircuts are like $20, $25 these days. That's ridiculous. Go on YouTube, check out some tutorials, learn how to cut your kids' hair. You'll save a lot. Trust me. All right, signing out. Peace. Say, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Stop. Say, give this video a thumbs up.
Give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you put in the comments if you like it.
What? You know how to say all of that? That's what I'm talking about. Like you said, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and we out.
And
Peace.
hit the like button.
And hit the like button. Out.